and welcome back to another great video. A lot has been going on in the markets lately. I haven't posted in a while since the craze of the SPACs. There was a lot of big money being made and it was a wild ride. Since then, I've been having other investments, but I'm coming back full circle here. I never stopped trading and I'm still investing. There is money to be made right now. So I felt compelled to get up and start my channel once again. I know a lot of people are losing money right now. Options is actually the perfect tool right now during these market conditions. For those of you that have been with me, following me in my channel, thank you. Thank you very much. We were doing some very crazy YOLO plays, out of the money calls, and it was fruitful. The gains never seemed to end. It was a great season, but we slowly started giving the money back. Now, options is a tool that a lot of us use, especially me in the beginning, as a gambling tool. There was some risk management precautions I was taking, but the market pulls you. You start sizing up when you shouldn't, and the dip keeps on dipping. And this has been a very extremely difficult market for a lot of people. There is an opportunity right now in option selling. Option selling is going to be everyone's savior right now during this choppy bear market condition. And I've been making some decent gains the past couple of months. And I've switched to a more conservative trading style. The gains are not as big as they used to be, but they are consistent. And I think a lot of people during this time are looking for consistent returns. And this is why I created this trading strategy, because I needed a consistent return strategy where I can make some income that is low risk and easy to maintain. During this bear market, it is extremely difficult to make money if you're just dollar cost averaging down. You know you're going to make money in the future, but you're not going to make any money anytime soon. And if you're trading directional options, it's a hit or miss, and it's very difficult right now. We're not trading in a trending market. The sentiment is bearish overall. You can see here, we're going down, but there is some opportunities along the way. And as the Fed continues to raise rates, we're going to continue to see the market go lower. There has been a lot of things happening economically lately, and the end is not near. It doesn't seem like it, but does this bother me? Not at all. I've been doing some simple trades with options, primarily sticking with selling spreads like iron condors and directional spreads. Based on the volatility of every week, there is opportunities to buy spreads, but lately I've been making money selling spreads. Now, I remember when I started options, I would hear people, oh, I'm a volatility seller, or oh, I buy volatility, or I trade volatility. And I always wondered, how do you do that? A lot of the option strategy come with a delta neutral portfolio where you have several long positions, several neutral positions, and several short positions. But that seems very busy to me, and it's not easy to maintain and manage, and always repositioning yourself. I've been sticking to very simple 1 to 2 trades at a time every week, collecting premium. Every day, as the time decays, I collect premium. And you can see here in this area, I mean, this is textbook here. I've been collecting some nice premium during these times here for the past couple of weeks. It's just been a slam dunk every week. And if you see here, and a little bit more trending kind of market here, there is still some pretty good swings there where if you're neutral, you can still make some money and catch the moves. If we take a look at some of the data, the latest news, the Fed raises interest rates 0.5 point to highest level in 15 years. And he did say in his meeting that he is going to continue to raise rates, that they're not stopping. They're just lowering the amount of interest rates they're raising every month. The Federal Reserve continued its battle against inflation by raising its benchmark interest rate to its highest level in 15 years. The Federal Open Market Committee voted to boost the overnight borrowing rate 0.5 percentage point, taking it to a targeted range between 4.25 to 4.5. Now, this is going to affect the housing market next year significantly, and we're already seeing some drawbacks. Although we did get great inflation numbers, November inflation report price gains slow more than expected. And if we look at this article and scroll down, 7.1% in the year through November, down from 7.7% in the previous reading and less than economists had expected. Positive news followed by some further rate hikes and more rate hikes coming, as Jerome Powell said in Wednesday's meeting. Let's go back to the charts here. This is the SPY. I have a couple of moving averages here. I have a 7 and 21 that crosses over the immediate trend. And then I have a 200-day moving average giving me the overall sentiment. So right now, overall, we're bearish. I am not concerned by this market. And I think right now, it has been a great point to be an option seller. And as the rates continue to go up, it's also going to take time to pivot and turn and go down, back down to lower rates for a more bullish market. And that turn is going to take several months, as it's taking several months to go up. And what does this mean for the market? This means we're going to see a slow moving market trending in a bearish direction or no direction that will be extremely frustrating. Directional traders will capitulate and give up and lock in losses. Long-term investors will be piling in with patience for the long-term bullish turn. But what do you do in the meantime? What are we doing? It's the perfect season and time to sell options. I actually want this market to continue trading the way it is, and I don't care in which direction. I'm trading neutral spreads every week, collecting premium. If you're an options trader and you are experienced with spreads and you don't like selling, you need to rethink right now during these times. I started a challenge and I will be documenting my challenge here on YouTube while I collect premium in this impossible market. A lot of option sellers are making a lot of money right now, and it is a slow, cautious way to make passive income. My gains are defined. They're not unlimited. They're defined, and they are consistent. Thank you once again to my subscribers who have been with me since the beginning through this journey. And anyone new to the channel, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell if you found this information of any value. I will be bringing more news, economic news, market news, and some trading ideas of how to navigate around this market and how I'm collecting premium every month. I've made about 80% returns in the past 2 months collecting premium very easily. And this could work for anyone with small accounts or big accounts. I am trading the most liquid options market, collecting premium. There is no bankroll limitations to the SPY. So I'll be showing and sharing tips and tricks on trading the SPY. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you once again, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.